Oh, I didn't see you there. Today we are fixing a dresser handle that got popped off. Should be pretty easy. Here's the part that got popped off. So we'll get it open. We use the world's cheapest tool set to pop out the old busted up bit. It's just going to be a simple screwdriver to undo it most of the way. So you can slip this metal piece behind and make sure it lines up with both grooves. And then we tighten it back down. Takes a little longer because you gotta be careful for this part. And make sure it's leveled and all the good things. And once it is tight, you're fixed. And now everything works